the Quran and modern science, exploring the miraculous connection. Welcome to the informative channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey where faith meets science. Have you ever wondered how a 1,400-year-old religious text like the Quran could align with the discoveries of modern science? Well, in this episode, we'll explore some profound insights and compare them with our present-day scientific knowledge. Stay tuned to uncover these remarkable connections. The creation of the universe. One of the most astonishing revelations in the Quran is related to the creation of the universe. In Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, it says, "Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together, then we split them asunder." This verse draws an incredible parallel to what modern science describes as the Big Bang Theory. According to this widely accepted theory, the universe was once a singular, dense point of matter that exploded and expanded, giving rise to galaxies, stars, and planets. The Quran mentions this concept of the heavens and earth being a unified entity before their separation centuries before scientific theories could even attempt to explain it. Cut to an animation of the universe expanding, backed by relevant visuals. It is remarkable to think that a description so close to the Big Bang can be found in a book from the 7th century. Could this be one of the many signs of the Quran's divine origin? The development of the human embryo. Another fascinating aspect is the Quran's detailed mention of human development in the womb. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verses 12 to 14, the Quran describes, "We created man from a drop of fluid, then placed it in a safe lodging. Then we made the drop into a clot, then made the clot into a lump, then made the lump bones, and clothed the bones with flesh, and then brought it forth as another creation. Blessed be Allah, the best of creators." This sequence of events corresponds to what modern embryology has uncovered through advanced imaging and research. The stages described in the Quran, first a drop of fluid, then a clot, followed by the development of bones and flesh, mirror the embryonic process as we understand it today. What's even more intriguing is that this knowledge was only made possible with the invention of microscopes in the 17th century. Yet, the Quran shared this precise information more than 1,000 years earlier. The mountains as pegs. Another incredible verse related to science is found in Surah An-Naba, verse 7, where mountains are referred to as pegs. The verse says, "Have we not made the earth as a bed, and the mountains as pegs?" Modern geology has revealed that mountains indeed have deep roots that extend into the earth, anchoring the planet's crust in place. This helps stabilize the Earth's surface, preventing excessive movement of tectonic plates. The concept of mountains serving as stabilizers for the Earth is something that has been confirmed through geological studies. Again, this is another case where the Quran offers insight long before modern tools and science could confirm it. How could a desert-dwelling community with no knowledge of geology make such a precise analogy? Could it be another sign of divine knowledge? The deep seas and internal waves. Cut to visuals of a vast ocean, transitioning to underwater shots. Surah An-Nur, verse 40, gives a vivid description of the depths of the oceans, stating, "Or, the unbeliever's state, is like the darkness in a vast deep sea, overwhelmed with waves topped by dark clouds, depths of darkness, one above another." This verse speaks about waves, topped by waves, and for many centuries, this was a mystery. However, oceanographers have now discovered that deep-sea waves, also known as internal waves, exist far beneath the surface of the ocean. These waves occur at the boundaries of water layers of different densities and are not visible from the surface. Additionally, the darkness described in the verse aligns with what scientists now know, that light cannot penetrate beyond certain depths of the ocean, leading to layers of darkness in the deep sea. The Quran's description of these phenomena long before the age of exploration and advanced oceanographic equipment continues to baffle scientists and scholars alike. The protective atmosphere. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 32, states, "And we made the sky a protective ceiling, but they, from its signs, are turning away." The sky here can be understood as the Earth's atmosphere, which serves as a protective layer. This atmosphere blocks harmful radiation from the sun, prevents meteors from striking the Earth, and retains the heat necessary for life. Scientists now recognize the Earth's atmosphere as a protective shield, but this was not known to early civilizations. The Quran, once again, mentions this crucial scientific fact centuries ahead of time. This protective function of the atmosphere is a modern discovery, yet it's described with clarity in the Quran. Is this a coincidence, or something more? Conclusion. As we've explored today, the Quran contains verses that align with modern scientific discoveries in ways that are beyond mere coincidence. These revelations serve as a reminder of the Quran's timeless wisdom and its divine origin. While science continues to advance and uncover the mysteries of our world, it's clear that the guidance has always been ahead of its time. Thank you for watching this episode on the Quran and modern science. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to learn more about similar topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the informative channel. See you next time with another enlightening topic.